Brenton Pumper 201, walk around.
So 2 guys sit in the back there, and 2 up at the front as well. Yeah.
You look around.
You want to see some of the cool tools on the squad?
Certainly.
Sure. See, these guys are the ones we use in car accidents. These are the jaws of life right here.
Awesome.
You heard of them before?
Yeah, I heard that
Yeah.
in my life.
Yeah. And these are cutters, so when we have to cut the car open, we use this one, and these 2 blades come in and cut it, and these ones spread like this. They go so they can push the car away, and then we can get to the person
This is
inside.
neat.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Anything else on the tools?
That's the most interesting stuff.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay. Yeah, with my muscles. See?
Oh yeah.
Let's check it out.
Careful. Here, we'll
So push this
for you,
off.
okay?